Hi, my name's Ken Hill, and I'm the Managing Director of 700 Credit, and I'm excited to introduce our upcoming workshop at NADA, Combating Fraud, Dealership Workflow with Driver's License Authentication. Joining me are esteemed experts who will provide invaluable insights into fraud prevention and workflow optimization. We have Sergeant Darren Schossler from the Houston Police Department, bringing over 25 years of experience in combating vehicle fraud and working with automotive dealerships. We also have James Drusbeck, Vice President of Information Systems at Group 1, who has over 20 years of experience in automotive finance and technology. And lastly, we're joined by Pete McGinnis, CEO of Elan Solutions, with over 40 years of experience in automotive finance and technology, leading the evolution of digital credit and finance solutions and fraud prevention solutions. Our workshop will address the key topics that are essential for new car dealers and management to understand in order to protect their business and streamline their operations. We'll explore how driver's license scanners can revolutionize your workflow by eliminating paper records and streamlining the customer verification process. By integrating this technology into your dealership, you can enhance efficiency while reducing the risk of fraud. We'll examine how these innovative solutions not only enhance security, but also improve efficiency. With advanced authentication tools and automated processes, you can create a safer environment for your customers and employees while enhancing the overall customer experience. Don't miss out on this invaluable opportunity to learn from industry experts and discover actionable strategies for combating fraud in your dealership.